Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Baz and today we are diving deep into the world of AI with special focus on Deepseek latest models. Deepseek AI has making waves in tech world with its groundbreaking advancements and their latest models including Deepseek V3 and China's Pro family are redefining what is possible in AI. What is Deepseek? Deepseek, a Chinese AI startup, has made a significant waves in the AI industry with the latest and recent advancement. It's founded by Liang Wang Fang in July 2023, and it, it outperformed the major competitors like Meta, Llama 3.1, and Open GPT 4.0 in tasks such as text understanding, coding, and problem solving. It. If you go to their official website, DeepSeek R1 is live and open source, and it's outperforming better than Open AI Model O1. It's available on web, app, and API. You can use my QR code and start downloading into your mobile and playing with it. Let's go and understand how it's achieved significance in terms of it. So, what DeepSeek AI, if you go to the official website, say like it's unravel the mystery of AGI. What is AGI here? It stands for Artificial General Intelligence. It means the AI is trying to mimic how humans are thinking in a deep learning. So it has the ability to learn, apply the knowledge across the wide range of the task, and it's try to comparing how human intelligence is think in that particular situation, and it's answering back to it. So, what makes DeepSeek AI the most significant in AI industry? The most important thing is like its cost efficiency. And DeepSeek AI as trying the model in a fraction of the cost, which is way lesser than the other competitors, the Meta and OpenAI for that. And it uses reinforcement learning instead of traditional supervised fine tuning. So supervised fine tuning is going to cost you. Um, and when it comes to the reinforcement learning, it's understand by itself, and it has a token predictions. It's understand what is going to be a next token. It's just going to comes onto it, and it has that advanced techniques, a mixture of experts and the multi-head latent attentions, which activate only the fraction of the model parameter for each task. What that it means, like it's only activate 37 billion tokens, and it's very optimized even though it's been trained on 671 billion total parameters, but it's going to activate only the 37 billion per token wise. That's where it's been cost effective, and it's consumed less energy in GPU and CPU as well. And the second most important is open source approach. So DeepSeek made its model open source. It's allowing the developers and researchers worldwide to access and try to build on top of the technology, and it's been transparency, and it's helping the AI community pretty well. And it has the unique techniques, which means like the reinforcement learning and the distillation techniques enable this model to self-improve. It's understand by its own trial and error, and it enhances reasoning capability. That's where it's been outperformed in majority of the benchmarks. And what happens, the DeepSeek's success is going to be The Deepseek success is gonna be shift the AI dominance. Currently the AI dominance has been in the US. Now it's gonna be changed into the AI side. That's been where the impact lies on reducing the massive cost cut where the OpenAI and Meta are using the huge GPU forces to train their model, but DeepSeek is done way cheaper than that. That's a significant amount of the money which they spend and understand and did it. That's more important one. And send these waves, and most of the AI chips manufacturers has been dropped significantly because of the DeepSeek one. The Nvidia has been 14 to 16% down on us today because of this. The huge reason for the why the chip industry is affected, the reason is like the DeepSeek managed with 2048 GPUs and running for 57, and this model has been trained trained and consumed 2.78 million GPU hours of NVIDIA H80800, which is remarkably lesser than that. So if you compare the OpenAPI cost, it charged $15 per million tokens, but when it comes to DeepSeek R1 model, it's cost 0.55 million inputs tokens, and it's charged 2.19. So I've run DeepSeek A into the cloud run. It's cost lesser than $20 if I run into the per month as well, and I'm gonna cover into my next of my video. And this model is multi-token predictions, which enable this model to predict the next token at 85 to 90% of acceptance range because it has a mixture of uh, experts, and its architecture on 671 billions total parameter, but it's used the only 37 billion activated per token. That's where it's lesser in the computational power. So thanks for watching it, and like and subscribe to get more video contents. Thanks everyone.